Hey everybody, I hope you can see this okay. So I'm going to demonstrate the leg vise today and its flexibility. As I said before, it opens out parallel, okay. Has a great depth. So I've got almost the length of this board depth that I can use. At college or other vices we've used before, you only have a small depth to support your work. So if you're working up here, you're sawing, doing a particular task, it's shaking around and not being supported very well, and it makes your task a lot harder. So what I can do on this bench, I can drop it right down, get it vertical in this case, grab my saw, and saw away. The vise did its job, the bench did its job, nothing shook, supported really well, sign of a good bench. The other thing I can do with this vise is grab this cherry board, pop it in the vise, pop it on my dead man, and my dowel, drop it in there, and I've got a depth for a wide board to go in here. So I'm not trying to plane up here all the time. Come here, I've got my dowel supported on my dead man. Come in here, grab my plane. Do a nice shaving. The shaving's fairly coarse, so I'm taking a fairly large cut. But the bench never moved, the vise supported the work, and my dead man did its job. Cut with this board just fine. So a sign of a good bench. Okay, well thank you.